Do you want to feel steadier and more confident on your feet? Today, I'll show you simple, beginner-friendly exercises you can do at home with just a chair and a few everyday items. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm a physical therapist, and I'll guide you step by step as you follow along. Today, we're starting with hamstring curls. I'm going to hold my chair for some balance, and I'm going to bend one knee, put it down, and then switch over to the other leg. We're alternating left and right so that we can add some weight shift into this exercise so that we'll get a little strength in our hamstrings, but also we're going to challenge our balance. And if you're feeling up to it, you can try to let go as you shift from left to right, bending your knee. At home, you'll want to do about 10 on each side. The next exercise we're going to do is hip abduction. Now we're just going to alternate left and right like we did with the hamstring curls so that we add in some weight shift. Now this exercise is perfect because it strengthens your hips and helps keep your pelvis level while you're walking. So if you're feeling sturdy on your feet, you can alternate left and right without holding on. But if you're at home and you're feeling a little shaky, just hold your chair, or you could even do these in the kitchen by the counter, wherever you have a safe place to hold on. And if you're really unsteady, you might want to put a chair behind you. For all of the exercises we're doing today, you'll do about 10 repetitions at home, and you can do 2 to 3 sets depending on your fitness level. Now, the next exercise we're doing today is knee extension, sitting in a chair. This is pretty easy. We're just going to alternate left and right. At the top, we want to straighten our knee, give a nice little hold, and put it down with some control. Knee extensions strengthen the muscles, which are the quads in the front of the legs, and these are important when we're doing our sit to stands, which we're going to do next. So as I'm doing these, I'm doing it with a good amount of control, tightening up the muscle right on top of my leg, and you can almost see my muscles activating as we go. The next exercise is sit to stands using a small cushion or a pillow on your chair. This just gives us more height so that the exercise is a bit easier. So we're just standing up and sitting back down with good control. If you need to, you can use your hands on your thighs. That'll help give you a little bit more boost. Or if you have a chair with arms, that would be good too. And you just do the amount that you can do at home. This exercise is a little harder than some of the others. And if you can only do just a few, you do what you can, you take a little break, and you continue on when you're ready. In fact, with all of these exercises, that's what I would want you to do. I'd want you to take as many breaks as you need to. When we get tired, our form starts to deteriorate a little bit, and that can lead to problems. For the next exercise, I've got a small paper cup that I'm just going to put on the floor in front of me, and then I'm going to tap, alternating left and right. I've got my chair in front of me for a little bit of balance. If your balance is less secure than mine is, you might want to be next to a counter or have another chair beside you, or even a chair behind you, just in case. And you just want to do this with a good amount of control, alternating left and right. If you're having trouble lifting up your leg to tap the cup, chances are you don't have your weight all the way shifted to the leg that you're standing on. So what you can do is just shift over, take your time, let go when you're ready, and just tap. And with control, put your foot back down. I would rather see just a few where you're really shifting the weight over and staying balanced with good control than seeing a lot of them that are really rushed and without control. For the next exercise, I just have a small hand towel that I've rolled up. I'm going to put it in front of me on the floor. And for this one, I'm just going to step over and step back, alternating left and right. This focuses on the weight shift again, but it's a little bit more dynamic because I'm putting most of my weight on my foot as I go forward. So we're just stepping over and back. I like to do this where we're stepping forward, putting a good amount of weight on the foot that we're standing on and coming back because that will help us change directions when we're walking. Suppose you have to turn around quickly or take a step back for some reason. This gets your body ready for that. I hope you enjoyed these exercises today, and if you're ready to progress and move your balance up a notch, watch this video next.